Hi guys, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and my hour of crafting today, I got done a new die set from Griffin, but first let me show you this. So I bought a 75% off Rolodex thing, and at Office Max, our Office Max near us is going out of business. I would like everyone around the world to send me a Rolodex. Decorate the front, put your information on the back, and it has to be the size of 3.5 by 2 1/4. That would be 3.5 wide and 2 1/4 long. The little holes are at 1 1/4 and 2 1/4. If you would please send me that, my address is in the links down below, my P.O. box. That way, every time I make something, if I can't give it away, I won't make it. It's a waste. I'm not going to just make stuff and stick it in a drawer and say, okay, I'll give that out, because I'll never give it out. And so these cards or whatever I'm making, guys, you know me. I gave what? Glue Gun Chronicles, the series, it did it for 3 years, and I gave away the first year weekly, then monthly and monthly. So, yes, I do gift, and the ladies in the neighborhood and my mom can only stand so much. So, send me your card. I'll pull it in my Rolodex, and I'm going to pick out people and send stuff to them because that's just how I roll. Okay, so the cards are the calligraphy sentiments. Happy birthday, happy Father's Day. Does it say Father's Day? And happy Mother's Day. I didn't know it said Father's Day, and I even worked with it. I'm thinking it said birthday the whole time. But anyway, these are so simple, quick, and easy. Oh my God, it took me seconds to make these cards. Why? Why do you say? Well, I pulled out, I have Anna Griffin boxes of cards, and I actually used this one, and it is, it's the fur babies, the fur friends, the pets, and there's cards and envelopes. This one was the Valentine one, but I didn't happen to use it. And I pulled out a couple of those instead of making cards. I'm like, let's just cut it and use it. And if you don't have that, I bought this for $5 at Hobby Lobby, and there is 50 cards and envelopes, and I used that. So see, it says 9, but I used a 50% off coupon that day, or they were 50% off. Anyway, so guys, when you see these and you don't know what to do with them, pick them up. Pick them up. So here's what the dies look like. And you have to cut this out. Then you have to cut these two out together to release it. And so you do have to cut it out twice. And this is for the string for the balloon. Okay, so this is the Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, and happy birthday. I really didn't know that said Father's Day on it. I just didn't even read it. I was just putting it together. So this is an Anna Griffin card bottom. This is just the basics, guys. This is just the basics. I will still decorate more. I don't know how I'm gonna mail it. I might stick it in a Happy Mail, so then I can really embellish it with more higher and higher roses. But if it's going in the mail, I don't put a lot on it because I don't want it to get destroyed. So, but all you do is cut, and I even had an extra one. You cut this one, and then you cut the two to lay it out, and it is so simple and easy. So there's one card. Here's the one that says Happy Mother's Day. And isn't that beautiful just like it is? It's beautiful just like that. And all I did was run this. But you know what? If I send this to my mom, I will add roses all over it. So there's another one. This does say Father's Day. There you go. Well, I have one made for my dad, but I don't think he's going to like these colors. So I may have to peel this one off or just use this as a sample to show y'all. I'll peel it off and put something else there. But you can layer this and layer it, and then put this on top. So there you go. There's that one. I didn't even read it. Okay, here's one that says happy birthday with the smaller card. Look how quick and simple that was. Wasn't it? Wow. So let me show you. Here is one of those store-bought cards from Hobby Lobby. It's a cute little card. It's even cute enough to mail like that. But then if you put glue on here, and this is Happy Father's Day, which it's a present. I thought it would say birthday. Why I didn't realize it when I read it, I just wasn't paying attention. When I bought it, I knew it. But anyway, here's the one you cut out, and then you use both dies to cut this out. And you glue it together. Use some pop dots. You don't need to put pop dots on all of it, just in 4 corners and maybe in the middle. And when you glue it down, put it right there, and bam, you're done. It'll be something like that. So how quick and easy this was so nice. I really enjoyed it. This was, I think, the easiest die set that I've come across. I bought it on HSN. It's Anna Griffin. You can get it on HSN or go to annagriffin.com. So there you go, guys. Have a blessed day. Don't forget about the Rolodex info. My address is down below. All my links are down below. Bye.